Class 10 Math First Chapter 1 Practice Set 1.4 Solve the following simultaneous equations. Solution: 2 by x minus 3 by y equal to 15, equation first. 8 by x plus 5 by y equal to 77, equation second. Substituting a for 1 by x and b for 1 by y, the given equations become 2a minus 3b equal to 15, equation number 3. 8a plus 5b equal to 77, equation number 4. फोर्थ इक्वेशन में a का कोएफिशिएंट 8 है. a के कोएफिशिएंट सेम करने के लिए हम इक्वेशन थर्ड को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 3 बाय 4. 8a minus 12b equal to 16, इक्वेशन नंबर 5. अभी यहाँ पर इक्वेशन फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ में a के कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो गए हैं, उनके साइन भी सेम है. अब हम यहाँ पर इक्वेशन 4 में से इक्वेशन 5 माइनस करेंगे, जिससे a 0 हो जाएगा और b की वैल्यू निकलेगी. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 4. 8a plus 5b equal to 77 minus 8a minus 12b equal to 60. यहाँ पर हम सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इक्वेशन 5 के साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. 17b equal to 17. Therefore, b equal to 17 by 17 equal to 1. Substituting b equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is 2a minus 3b equal to 15. Therefore, 2a minus 3 into 1 equal to 15. Therefore, 2a minus 3 equal to 15. Therefore, 2a equal to 15 plus 3. Therefore, 2a equal to 18. Therefore, a equal to 18 divided by 2. Therefore, a equal to 9. Resubstituting the values of a and b. A equal to 1 by x equal to 9 and b equal to 1 by y equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 9 and y equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Answer: x, y equal to 1 by 9, 1 is the solution. Solution: 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, equation number 1. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2, equation number 2. Substituting a for 1 by x plus y and b for 1 by x minus y, the given equations become 10a plus 2b equal to 4, equation number 3. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2, equation number 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 5. Equation 3 is 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Therefore, 50a plus 10b equal to 20, इक्वेशन नंबर 5. यहाँ पर हम इक्वेशन फोर्थ को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो b के कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो जाएंगे और a की वैल्यू निकालने में आसानी होगी. मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 4 by 2. Equation 4 is 15a minus 5b equal to -2. 30a minus 10b equal to -4. Equation number 6. इक्वेशन 5th एंड इक्वेशन 6th में b के कोएफिशिएंट सेम है लेकिन उनके साइन अलग है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर एडिशन करेंगे. एडिंग इक्वेशंस 5 and 6. 50a plus 10b equal to 20 plus 30a minus 10b equal to -4. 80a equal to 16. Therefore, a equal to 16 by 80. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 5. Substituting a equal to 1 by 5 in equation 3. Equation 3 is 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Therefore, 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b equal to 4. Therefore, 10 by 5 plus 2b equal to 4. Therefore, 2 plus 2b equal to 4. Therefore, 2b equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore, 2b equal to 2. Therefore, b equal to 2 by 2. Therefore, b equal to 1. Resubstituting the values of a and b, a equal to 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5 and b equal to 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Therefore, x plus y equal to 5, equation number 7, and x minus y equal to 1, equation number 8. Adding equations 7 and 8, x plus y equal to 5 plus x minus y equal to 1, 2x equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 3. Substituting x equal to 3 in equation 7. Equation 7 is x plus y equal to 5. Therefore, 3 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to 5 minus 3. Therefore, y equal to 2. Answer: x, y equal to 3, 2 is the solution. Solution: 27 by x minus 2 plus 31 by y plus 3 equal to 85. Equation number 1. 31 by x minus 2 plus 27 by y plus 3 equal to 89. Equation number 2. Substituting a for 1 by x minus 2 and b for 1 by y plus 3, the given equations become 27a plus 31b equal to 85. Equation number 3. 31a plus 27b equal to 89. Equation number 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. 27a plus 31b equal to 85 plus 31a plus 27b equal to 89. 58a plus 58b equal to 174. Dividing both the sides by 58, we get a plus b equal to 3. Equation number 5. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. 31a plus 27b equal to 89 minus 27a plus 31b equal to 85. यहाँ पर हम सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. इसलिए थर्ड इक्वेशन के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे। 4a माइनस 4b इक्वल टू 4। डिवाइडिंग बोथ द साइड्स बाय 4, a minus b equal to 1, equation number 6. Adding equations 5 and 6, a plus b equal to 3 plus a minus b equal to 1, 2a equal to 4, therefore a equal to 4 by 2, therefore a equal to 2. Substituting a equal to 2 in equation 5, equation 5 is a plus b equal to 3, 2 plus b equal to 3, therefore b equal to 3 minus 2, therefore b equal to 1. Resubstituting the values of a and b, a equal to 1 by x minus 2 equal to 2, therefore 1 equal to 2 in bracket x minus 2, therefore 1 equal to 2x minus 4, therefore 2x equal to 1 plus 4, therefore 2x equal to 5, therefore x equal to 5 by 2. b equal to 1 by y plus 3 equal to 1, therefore 1 equal to y plus 3, therefore y equal to 1 minus 3, therefore y equal to minus 2. Answer: x comma y equal to 5 by 2 comma minus 2 is the solution. Solution: 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4, equation number 1. 1 by 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 in bracket 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8, equation number 2. Substituting a for 1 by 3x plus y and b for 1 by 3x minus y, the given equations become a plus b equal to 3 by 4, equation number 3. a by 2 minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8, equation number 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 4, equation 3 is a plus b equal to 3 by 4. a into 4 plus b into 4 equal to 3 by 4 into 4. 4a plus 4b equal to 3, equation number 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 8, equation 4 is a by 2 minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. a by 2 into 8 minus b by 2 into 8 equal to minus 1 by 8 into 8. 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1, equation number 6. Adding equations 5 and 6, 4a plus 4b equal to 3 plus 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1, 8a equal to 2. Therefore, a equal to 2 by 8. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 4. Substituting a equal to 1 by 4 in equation 5, equation 5 is 4a plus ab equal to 3. 4 in bracket a by 4 plus ab equal to 3. Therefore, 1 plus 4b equal to 3. Therefore, 4b equal to 3 minus 1. Therefore, 4b equal to 2. Therefore, b equal to 2 by 4. Therefore, b equal to 1 by 2. Resubstituting the values of a and b, a equal to 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 3x plus y equal to 4, equation number 7, and 3x minus y equal to 2, equation number 8. Adding equations 7 and 8, 3x plus y equal to 4 plus 3x minus y equal to 2, 6x equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 6. Therefore, x equal to 1. Substituting x equal to 1 in equation 7. Equation 7 is 3x plus y equal to 4. Therefore, 3 in bracket 1 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore, y equal to 1. Answer: x, y equal to 1, 1 is the solution.